Meet Geraldine. She got 2 Rheem heat pumps on a 10-year Comfort Plan lease with no upfront cost. Here's how you deliver that and grow your revenue doing it.
When I heard Palmetto, I said, sign me up. Sign me up. I knew the AC was going to act up at some point. And I just didn't want to think that I would be burdened with a really big bill. I am so impressed with a company like Palmetto and the way that they just structure their payments. I mean, it's almost like a dream. Once they walked out of the vehicle, I knew they knew what they were doing. It wasn't like bim bam and I'm out of here. I mean, it wasn't even running for lunch. They were here until they were finished. No chit chat, no hemming and hawing. And before I knew it, they finished. It's comfortable. The comfort, it is comfortable.
Every year, Geraldine gets maintenance included. We pay you to do it. If something breaks, you get the call, the labor, and your materials reimbursed. No dealer fees.
So I told my neighbor, I'm here by myself and all I want to talk about is this AC. I would have no hesitation explaining to them the process and how awesome the workers are and how meticulous they were in doing the install. I am 100+% satisfied with Palmetto. It's a no-brainer.
That's the Comfort Plan. More jobs, same customer, steady, recurring revenue. Become a partner today.